Max and Lily, both nature enthusiasts, decided to go for a much-needed hike. They arrived at the trailhead, cross-referencing their maps with the real world, feeling pretty smug about their preparation. As they chatted animatedly about the latest Netflix comedy special, neither noticed their trail forked in completely opposite directions. By the time they'd walked an hour, Max was scratching his head at the graffiti on the rocks, positive they'd passed the Bear Peak lookout sign twice. Meanwhile, Lily, convinced they were supposed to see more wildflowers, tried to consult the map only to realize she'd brought a tourist brochure for Paris. Finally, they found each other, bursting into laughter, realizing they'd been on separate trails, and promising to invest in a GPS app next time.